Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. What a beautiful freaking day it is today. What is going on out here in the world? All right, yes, I got some stuff to do. Oh, y'all weren't supposed to see my junkie garage, but whatever. In fact, I got some free time. I'm about to do something with this. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. I'm just about done. Y'all know today's Sunday. Today is Sunday, okay. I had one side job to do. I'm gonna go shower up and head to the gym. Get me a workout in. That's simply because I want to be ready for my special guest tonight. Ford Boss Me, man. Y'all know that cat, man. Everybody always talking about that cat, man. And I looked at my subscription. I've been subscribed to that cat. That's why I see a lot of his notifications. Real cool dude, man. A Ford guy. Obviously, he have Ford in his name title. And he's obviously one of those guys that predominantly, now y'all know how mechanics are. A car is a car is a car. We do everything. But don't bring no crazy car in my stall and expect me to work on it. Just ain't gonna happen like that. But he's predominantly a Ford guy. Just like me, I'm predominantly, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, things like that. But yes, at the end of the day, a car is a car is a car. However, there's some things I want to ask this guy. Now, I saw some of his videos. I saw one of his live stream videos he did at the shop, okay? Live stream, people just ask whatever they want to ask. Somebody asked him about Chrysler products, and this answer was interesting, very interesting, okay? In fact, I don't even want to tell you what his answer was. I'll let it play. Y'all listen to this.
I don't really like anything Chrysler past the late 90s, early 2000. After that, I never really cared for anything Chrysler. I just don't like them. It's not that I'm against it. I love other than the Cummins platform. I love the Cummins platform. Don't get me wrong there, but there's not very many Chrysler things I like. I like some of that SRT stuff and all that. Of course, that's cool. But would I own one? No, I don't want it.
Now, why on earth would my man Ford Boss Me? That was his opinion. If you ask me something like that about a Ford, I wouldn't even know what to say. In fact, I'm going to gather up my thoughts because I just might be asked that tonight or this evening. I don't know. But anyway, now from a standpoint of performance, Chrysler has the upper edge. Dodge has the upper edge. Okay, what was Ford? Ford's main thing was the Mustang, wasn't it? With the 5-liter in it, 5.0. Back in the day, yes, that was the flagship muscle car. Okay, yes, Ford Mustang. Nobody can touch Dodge from a high performance standpoint. Just sorry, they just can't. But yes, his answer was interesting. In fact, I'm gonna ask him back that tonight, guys. And as far as that poll go, I got a poll going on which one would you choose between the Ford F-150 or the Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 is winning so far. And remember, guys, I told y'all to be honest, okay? Because I just want to see something. I'm gonna bring that up in the stream as well and see some of the comments are interesting. All right, I want y'all to leave comments because I want to see where everybody's staying, as far as that. But yes, it's very interesting. So I got some work to do, guys. I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna come back and try to do something with this. Just wanted to remind you guys that be on the live stream tonight. Mr. Ford Boss Me. I heard from him this morning. Yes, he confirmed again that it is on, so it will be on and popping. So we're gonna see what happens, man. We're gonna go from there. Again, I don't know his name, so we all gonna get to know that. I'm gonna let him do a formal introduction of himself. All right, Ford Boss Me. For all I know, he might go off as FBM. I'm online mechanic tip, OMT. So I don't know how that works, but we're gonna find out. Yeah, man, let me do something with this stuff, man. Just boxes, just Amazon here, Amazon there. I got work to do, guys. So y'all stay tuned, man. Tune in tonight, all right? I want to see y'all there, man. I want some big numbers, okay? So we'll see what happens, y'all. Thanks for freaking watching.